Hi guys, today I'll share with you Bossman BCM-40 magnetic drilling machine. In this video, I'll show you how the magnetic drill works. For this model, the maximum diameter is 40 mm. There are 3 button switch. The green means on, the red means on, and the other toggle is on the magnet and off the magnet. To install the bit, make sure the slot is correctly installed. Loosen up the screw with the Allen key that provided. Install 3 handle. Slot in the bit and tighten up. It's recommended to use the emulsion cutting oil on the bit. You need to install the pilot pin together with the bit so that the emulsion cutting oil will flow towards the bit. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you find this video helpful.